Home ownership is the pinnacle of the American dream. Many people say there is no better investment than real estate because of the equity that can be gained by owning property. Mortgage advisor Jessy Printz acts as a mortgage matchmaker at Sierra Pacific Mortgage's Charlestown, West Virginia branch.
The very most important first step is going to be to speak with your mortgage advisor. This is going to ensure that you have a firm understanding of your budget. Your realtor is going to thank you for being prepared. There are many benefits to home ownership. There may be some tax benefits. We encourage you to speak with your CPA or licensed tax professional. And perhaps one of the most important benefits is the sense of community and home and a place to raise your family.
If you're beginning to think about taking out a mortgage, check your credit score. If it needs to be improved, speak to a financial advisor who can provide you with educated tips and take a close look at your spending habits.
When we're determining your ability to qualify for a mortgage, one of the most important guiding factors is going to be your ability to repay that mortgage. The best predictor of future behavior is past behavior, and that's why we look at your credit score and your credit report. One of the guiding principles in qualifying you for your mortgage is going to be your debt-to-income ratio. It's a comparison of your gross monthly income to your existing monthly debts that you're obligated to pay, and then we layer in your proposed housing expense to ensure that that total number is within that particular loan program's guidelines. There is a difference between being pre-qualified and pre-approved. When you're pre-qualified, we're doing a simple evaluation of your income, your credit, and your debts. We elevate that a step higher through a pre-approval. We're going to collect your asset information, verify that income, and run preliminary underwriting. When it comes to multiple offers, put yourself in the position of the seller. You're going to look for your highest net and lowest risk. At times, an offer with financing that is pre-approved may offer them a greater net. If we can really make them feel comfortable by having that pre-approval firmly in place, you may just win over that cash offer.
Depending on the type of loan being utilized, some homebuyers put down as little as 0%. Mortgage advisors at Sierra Pacific Mortgage present clients with options and calculate the monthly payment amount based on different down payment scenarios.
There are many mistakes that first-time buyers and even seasoned home buyers might make. Perhaps you think you need to have 20% down. Perhaps you think you have to have all of your debt paid off. Perhaps you think you need to take every penny of money that you saved and apply it to your home purchase. In fact, that may not be true. There are times where applying a lesser down payment and saving some of that money for your future needs might just make more sense. If we max out every last penny that you have to spend, you may not be able to buy that new couch or upgrade the kitchen or spend time going out to eat even on the weekends with your friends and family. Thanks to the many loan options available, home ownership is more accessible than ever. If you're a renter, did you know that you're already making a mortgage payment? It's just not your own. You're likely paying the note for your landlord. When we're talking about the rate associated with your mortgage, we're typically talking about whether it is fixed or adjustable. A fixed rate mortgage will limit your risk. It's going to secure that rate, and that's going to be the basis for interest paid over the term of your loan. Another important decision to make as it relates to your loan is the term. We have everything from a 10-year, 15, 20, 25, and 30-year term. One of the most popular loan offerings at Sierra Pacific Mortgage right now is our cash-out refinance. We find that our clients are leveraging the equity in their home for a variety of reasons. It might be to pay off credit card debt, to fund a child's education, to do some improvements to their home. Although a cash-out refinance does involve increasing the principal balance owed on your mortgage, it can still represent a cash flow positive situation for your household budget.
Sierra Pacific Mortgage has adapted during the pandemic in order to continue servicing clients. Clients are welcome to visit one of their 100-plus branches in person or complete all paperwork digitally, making it convenient for people who prefer to handle matters remotely.
I'm extremely fortunate to work for a very technology-forward company who has spent an immeasurable amount of money to make sure that our clients can transact electronically, online, on the phone, through email with ease. We even have a great app called SPM Go. You simply download it to your phone, you can apply online, check payment calculations, and even upload necessary documents for your underwriting approval. Better yet, you can keep track of your loan along the way. One of my very favorite features of the SPM Go app is the ability to share it with my realtor partners.
Sierra Pacific Mortgage has been family-owned for more than 35 years. They have licensed mortgage advisors in 49 states nationwide, including Washington, D.C. In addition to first-time homebuyers, current homeowners are taking advantage of the low mortgage rates to refinance their existing home, purchase a vacation home, and buy an investment property. To learn more, call 800-844-6032 or visit yoursierramortgage.com or designingspaces.tv.